Having seen how to register to a host service server company, which we've shown on a different video with the Bluehost, what I want to show you now is how to start working on this server host and install WordPress. But before that, something small but very important. First of all, the emails that you get immediately as confirmation to your email account include everything that you need to know. First of all, this is the URL that you just purchased, or I just purchased through Bluehost, and an email server, and I'll show you in a second how to use the email server. The login information, which is very important, and how you can change a password or recreate a password if you forget it or lose it. FTP information is important for uploading files to the server, but it's not necessary, and you're not going to need it on a day-to-day basis. So what I want to show you now is something very cool that you get when you use this option of self-hosted WordPress site, which is an email. So you're saying, what's the big deal? I have Gmail for free, Yahoo for free. True, but this is an email at the domain of your site. So I'm going to log into Bluehost to the control panel, and I'm going to use the password that I just created that you saw in a different video. Okay, and as I log in now, this is just specifically Bluehost, but on DreamHost, on Laughing Squid, on each of those servers, companies, you will see a very similar interface. There's not many big differences. And this is the control panel, what they call a cPanel on Bluehost. By the way, just a quick look, you can see the domain manager. You can manage all your domains from the website. You can see that I have one domain under my control, YDA Tutorial, which I just bought, and you saw me doing it. I can add more domains. I can add other domains, domain registrations, org, net, and so on. Let's go back to the control panel. And what I want to show you now is this very cool feature that's an email. Now, we all know that Gmail is very good, Yahoo is good, they're all very good and strong accounts, but when I go over here to email accounts, the minute that I have my own self-hosted server, I can have my own account, my own email accounts with my own domain as the address. So for instance, I can create an email that says gil@ydatutorial.com or info@ydatutorial.com. It just looks more professional. Again, I will create a password. Now I'm very traditional. I just create the same password again, the same one that I used for the server itself. I'm gonna use it again, and I can create an account. Account created. You see, I have an email. Now this email can be read directly through this account. Okay, account. I can go over here to my to the cPanel, the control panel at at Bluehost. And of course, once I start working with the email, I can, if I want, redirect it. But here you can see this is the quota that I have, 250 megabytes. By the way, I could have chosen unlimited, and I can add more accounts, like let's say create one for myself. So like we can do whatever we want here. This is very, very nice that people can actually send you email for this domain. And of course, on the left-hand side, you can set up the email by creating a forward. And again, this is different on each and every hosting company. But basically, the bottom line is that you can redirect the mail to your Gmail or wherever you want, but you still use the domain, and it just looks more professional. So my suggestion is, once you go WordPress.org, on the way, as you make your way towards WordPress.org and you decide to go on a self-hosting server, why not create emails with your own domain and just look more professional on your business card?